And if it did, you wouldn't be out here with it. Let me slow down.
Well, this should do much better with these tires. These are the Tusk clones from AliExpress that I had on another truck, and they're pretty grippy. Remember how those, whatever that other brand was, slipped real bad when it got up here. Just no grip at all. This thing's, I got so much grip, I'm bringing a leaf on the tire. Oh yeah, grip for days. What a difference a tire makes. Oh, G-Rad. Coming down with this leafer. I like how you only have the single windshield wiper.
Yep, scale realism.
Yeah.
That windshield wiper rusted off years ago.
Mm-hmm.
This is Chad's first day out.
You're killing it with that thing. He needs a door sticker that says like 30-foot driver. Oh.
Can't wait to see what he does with this thing. Don't look like it needs much.
No.
A little drama on his way up.
All right, where to now?
Work on his way back down in C10.
Nice wrinkle on them tires.
It's amazing how me and Rick can record at the same time without fighting for camera space.
All right. Ooh. Whoop. Getting a little trigger happy here. I can't see where my tire is over here. Let me get down. Oh, I need to come up some, yeah. Mm-hmm. Do a little flex. Carry that rear. So much better without a bumper on it. Front and rear. Hook stuck on that front shackle. There it goes. I wonder if you could bevel that a little bit.
What's that?
That very front leaf spring hanger. So smooth and slow.
SSD wheels looking good on that.
Pivoting the rear around a little bit. Woo! We'll shoot it from this side. Got it.
If anybody knows what the possibly is going on with his lights, please leave it in the comments. Change receivers. Still putting out 6 volts on the BEC on the Hobby Wing Fusion Pro. But his lights are very dim, and as of now they look like they're out. And they plug straight into the receiver. Somebody know, leave us a comment.
Looks like he nailed the approach.
Nice use
Oh,
of
you
the
could
dig.
lock the rear?
Nice use of
I
the
didn't know.
dig.
It comes with dig stock? Damn.
That
How
is
much one of these
awesome
things cost?
use of the dig.
That ain't bad at all.
$4.99.
Did not know.
You know, I think this thing got a 2-speed. You might got to unlock it.
You know, I think you're right. I think, you know what? It does have a 2-speed, doesn't it? And I just gotta.
You got to like take the trans apart, maybe.
Yeah.
Like I had to do my
Turbo
trans.
or something to it.
Yeah,
You got plenty of channels on the receiver.
because I think it's just locked out.
I think you're right. I did read that somewhere.
That's where my Gladiator and a couple of other my accidents were.
The new obstacle up here. Oh, Wait a minute. That stuff's gonna get all hung up on me. That bag's just hanging on.